This is the project. This is what we need to achieve. Now inside of 4 goes here. 2 is selected on the first. 4 is selected. Then A is 1 goes there. And 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be repeated again. This is the task we need to complete. Okay. Hi, welcome. I'm here to teach you about how to create animations using PhaserJS, and I will be implementing insertion sort using PhaserJS. First, let me create a React app. So I have npx installed. Npx, if you want to install npx, you can go through npm install npx save or npm install npx. That will get the npx installed. Then I would go for npx create React app Phaser insertion sort animation. So this will take some time to get it installed, and we'll resume soon after that. Now it's installed, we can start installing PhaserJS. So npm install Phaser save will get this installed. Parallelly, let me open up my IDE. So we'll remove the code here, the app code, the React app code, which is in here, and we'll add some controllers. So I'll go for front page controller. And first I'll import the React library. Write the constructor for the React component. So every React component needs to have a constructor. Then we run the method. And I'll hook it up with the app.js file here. So front page controller. That's it. Now in the front page controller, we need to include Phaser. We need to import the Phaser library. Sorry, before doing that, let me start up the live reload web server, the dev web server. So npm start. Sorry, I'll have to go on to Phaser. Insertion Sort Animation. Here's a file. npm script stop. So within here, so it says our code has some syntax errors. So within here, we need to create a config initialization for the phaser. So inside component div mount, here start a scene for the phaser. So this game is equal to phaser.game with the config file, configuration object, and the configuration object is width so go this window is equal to height as in height. Type, let's see, arcade. Canvas element, let's create a canvas element. Here, canvas. So this is our color. Now we have to create the physics object. Default is arcade. Arcade has the gravity. Let's add a debug attribute as well. Let's test our interface. Still shows a syntax error in front page controller. It's because this is empty. So let's put this as null. So we've got another issue, which is it's a function, I think. So we need a new keyword. Yeah, so we've got that running. Now we need to add some phaser scenes. So I'll add the first scene, which is a playing card. So we have our playing cards class, which has been extended from scene object, the scene class. So we need init function, and in init function we have constructor arguments, and underneath that we need another file which is for create, and update. So update runs the update loop, and create initializes the objects, which is imports the image files and imports the sprite sheets into the canvas. So in create, we write we need to load particular images. So we have some images from here. So these are the cards. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we've got them in a different order, so we have to load these images. So image paths, one is ace card, then 2 card, 3 card, 4 card, 5 card, and 6 card. So we load the image using this .load.image. It's called the image name as 1, and the URL is images/acecard.png. Then we need 6 cards. 3, 4, 5, 6. Two, 3, 2 card, 3 card, 4 card, 5 and 6. Now we need a preload method, so this should be the preload method should load all the images, and create should create the objects within it. So this should be within preload, and create should create objects. So for that we need a container, and an array for the insertion sort. Now we need to create the objects. So under create method, we have objects here. So the order is 5. Order is 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3. So I'll create the order array first. 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3. And the first object is 5. Image. X coordinate and Y coordinate, as you see here, X, Y. Then texture is 5. That's it. And we need to repeat that for all of the objects. 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3. The texture as well. 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3. I need to space them by 100. So if this is 120, x coordinate is 120, this is 220. The next one is 320, 420, 520, and 620. Now the algorithm needs to be implemented. So insertion sort, animation, let's see whether this is correct or not. So insertion sort animation goes into create. And we need some CSS updates. We have CSS updates. That is loaded the screen. See console. we added the playing card scene inside. So we have another playing card scene inside. So this .game dot scene dot add playing cards. This game scene dot start. Playing cards with attributes. Window. So we need to import the playing cards. So I know what the mistake is. It's this dot. Console says 52414613. 246135. So it's done the first part. Now the next. So I think we start from first. So the algorithm starts comparing the second object first, insertion sort. So our I is equal to 1, I less than like than I plus plus, j is equal to I minus 1, while j greater than or equal to 0 and this dot order j minus 1. Let's see if this works. That's 524413. I think this one must be I. No, I didn't. So we've got this done. So we need to move. So this part is for moving. Moving the entries towards right of the array. This one assigns the comparison value. So one now you check this one is in correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now the cards are displaying correctly. So we need to add some hooks into these blocks of code. let's remove the console.log. Let's write a new function, start animate, and end animate. So start animates, what it does is it starts the object from top to bottom, like this one, from top to bottom. So this is start and this is end. So going down is start and going to the right is end. Going down, so 2, that's start, 4 is start, 5 is end. This is start and all these are end. Okay. So now we have to pass in the object. Which means here there should be a comparison, an if statement. And here and animate. G+1. So G+1th object will be animated. So start animate. We need to add some physics objects. So in create, we need some data for this. So how you add data in Phaser is the object dot set data. So we designate the data to the object, and here so we rewrite this as 2, 4, 6. So we have the data set from all of the objects, so we need to rewrite this as 2. So dot set data 2 dot set data 4. 6 dot set data 6, 1 dot set data 1, 3 dot set data 3. Now this dot physics dot add dot existing. If you want to include physics engine into the object, this is how you do. This dot physics dot add existing this dot objects 5 and repeat for all the objects. 5, 2, 4, 6. It need not be the same order, but I'm just writing the same order. Now start animate. In start animate, object dot velocity of y is 50. So it moves to the bottom on gravity, and end animate. Object dot body dot velocity dot x equal to 50. Our first course is 2, so this is animation in the hook. So we can write pseudocode for that. Two first, 4. Angle is equal to 5. Num get data, set data, get data. W equal to 2. Set timeout. Function. This goes to the left. Let's see. So next is 2 and 4. 2, 4. Function. Two, 4 down, then stop and set the object to 20. So 1 goes to 120 again. Next is 3. And 3 goes to 320. 3. Then we need to set the angles. To 0. So inside set time now this won't work. To replace with instance. And let's try it out. animate. We need to call this in different times. As that goes, yeah. So 2, 4, 1, 3 goes. So we need to order that here. Set timer. Best method to call that in sequence is to write this in I, 2000 into I. See now. Okay, nothing is happening. Yeah, I know what the mistake is. So here set timeout has been called without a function call. So let's create a function. Let's check it out. Yeah, 2, 4, 10. Names and 3. So we have got the insertion sort in the correct order. A's 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thanks for watching.